hit me, because it's like hitting the slot machine, you know? Oh, so close, engagement. Who's got it? Who's got it? Boom! I think what TCU and the TCU Innovation Network is doing is really awesome.
The Innovation Network, we actually hosted a social media content creation workshop.
How many times do you post a day? I don't know.
Dr. J. Mack was the perfect person for this workshop because, number one, he is a TCU alum. Dr. J. Mack is an emergency department physician and a successful content creator. His ability to merge those two different worlds is impressive, and the fact that he has built a company for med influencers is absolutely phenomenal.
It's really important for future content creators to do it with a purpose. Not just to do it for clout or for money, but to actually like positively impact the world around them. Like, follow her, don't follow me, follow her. Genius, dude.
People can continuously trust you, and that you really think before you post something so that it's not wrong, or later people find out it's not true, and then you kind of lose your credibility, which is one of the most important things in this field. So really taking the time to post true information that you know is backed by research so that people can trust you.
Knowing how to market myself digitally and on social media is going to prove to be very valuable. It's a growing sector. Being able to handle social media and promoting myself digitally is going to prove to be very important. Very happy, very thankful. I've been to all of the Innovation Network's events so far, and everyone's been great. So I had high expectations and they were met.